I forgot my pineapples and ham glaze for my Easter ham. And well, what I'm gonna do is what I normally do: go to the cabinet and to the refrigerator and make my own. I'm gonna give instructions very quickly, and you can make it yourself. Pineapple, cut it up, put it in the ham, cook it for an hour, and then make your glaze. Make it glaze, and then for the next hour, every 15 minutes, you glaze your ham, put it back in the oven, glaze it again, put it back in the oven. Okay, this is what I'm going to use: butter, stick, tablespoon of honey, maybe a fourth teaspoon of cloves. It's kind of strong. Maybe a teaspoon of cinnamon, a cup of brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, use a cup or two of white sugar. Don't judge me. And cook it till it gets thick and glaze.